Hey, Richard Zato of the Rutan Aircraft Flying Experience. Welcome you to Sun and Fun 2023. We're here this year with our new Berkut. It's really cool and fast. We also got RFE t-shirts, so come hang out. We got lots of canard fun stuff to talk about.
All right, Maddie made it to Sun and Fun. Olivia, hey baby girl.
So this is the seat that came with the wagon?
See these airplanes?
So do these flip to the sides? Yep. Is that what, oh, I got you. Okay.
Got airplanes everywhere.
Two that fit in.
Hey, Richard Zato of Rutan Aircraft Flying Experience. Welcome you to Sun and Fun 2023. We're here this year with our new Berkut. It's really cool and fast. We got RFE t-shirts. Come hang out. We got lots of canard stuff, fun canard stuff to talk about.
Love it.
Boy, I assume you're going to edit this very well, correct?
Ready.
Yeah, okay. My name is Mike Landskroner. I'm a volunteer here at the island at Sun and Fun 2023. At the island, we've got everything at a country store, a restaurant, Fresco's restaurant. We've got the Pilot Welcome Center. The title sponsor is the Bahamas, so hence the island theme. We had Bahamas Day on Wednesday this year. We had a Junkanoo parade that left from here and came back. This is the first year for the island. The main reason to create the island was the general aviation camping did not have a whole lot to do for entertainment and any type of facilities after most of the vendors went home in the evenings or etc. So now they have a country store that's open till midnight, a restaurant that's open till 8:30. We've got live music a couple of nights a week. We're showing some videos 3 nights a week. So if you can, come on down to the island and please join us. We'd love to have you.
What's going on?
Hey, how you doing?
This is a pretty unique airplane. Tell me about it.
It's a South African plane designed for the anti-poachers. So they sit there, they fly around with the doors off. Usually have a guy on the left seat flying, guy on the right with a rifle for protection. And that's how they spot where the poachers are, and then they call in the ground troops, should we say?
Yeah.
It's a light sport aircraft, 912 ULS, 720 pounds dry and 1320 usable, so you got a useful load of about 550, 600 pounds.
Pretty cool. All right, we'll catch you later, Charles.
See you later.
Bye, man.
Have a good one.